All right, who's the jokester? All right, who's there? Oh, Helios.
I'm here.
Helios, what are you doing here?
Officer Helios.
What?
I'm an officer, teacher. Officer Helios.
Officer Helios.
Uh-huh.
Right. What are you an officer of?
This pork. Yeah.
Then why does your uniform say 7-Eleven?
Huh?
Helios, why were you even...
Officer Helios.
Officer Helios? Why were you squirting me with water? I wasn't doing anything.
You were littering.
Littering? What the... What? That?
Yes, that is litter. Bad.
But I wasn't done with that. Ugh. Helios, I wasn't finished with it.
Ooh, sorry.
Well, I can't get mad at you, can I? You're doing a good thing.
Yeah, I'm protecting the local wildlife.
You certainly are. I mean, this park is a very important home for local animals and plants.
Yes.
And I bet monitoring humans keeps you very busy.
Squirrels.
Squirrels?
Squirrels keep me very busy, teacher. Squirrels are the worst.
Why are they... What do you mean?
Teacher, squirrels steal everything.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, they... Oh, squirrel! Squirrel!
Well, hang on. Helios!